Hi, time-lapse channel here. Well, take a look at what happened compared to the last video. It's literally a swamp out here. Tropical storm is still above us right now. It's 6 in the morning. This camera is still here for some reason. I don't know why it's still there. I'm sure it's getting no signal. But look what happened here. Let's go look at the front yard now. So this is what happened. Circle's half flooded. The water's coming up the driveways almost. Both these street lights are still on. That one down there and this one. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like if you did.